Sophie, what's that? You don't know what that is? I think you do. Well, that was exciting. All right, come on.
I don't scared it. I didn't scared it.
You weren't scared of it?
No.
That's good. Were you scared of it, Shane?
Yes.
I'm okay.
You're okay, Sophie.
Mama.
Yes.
I want to point out that these structures that are here in Carpinteria on the beach are by no means natural. These are in fact ancient the bases of ancient temples. They used to be level, but they shifted in the sand. You can see clearly by these right angles and these cracks here, this was left. This is part of an ancient alien. She's getting in the car.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
This here was a chair. It's completely obvious that this was a natural chair. I mean, not a natural chair. It's a man-made or alien-made chair. Here's another one that's completely obvious. There's no way you can tell me this is natural. This is completely alien engineering.
And looks amazingly comfortable.
You can clearly see that this is in no way a natural coincidence. Right up. You know, every earthquake it probably shifts up about a foot or so.
Yeah.
Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Look at me!
Wow!
Shit!
You're using the ancient alien stare.